Today, I'm going to show you how to make kitfo. And I'm very excited to show you one of Ethiopia's most famous and delicious traditional dishes. Kitfo is not just food. It's culture, it's tradition, and it's something Ethiopians truly love. If you've never tried it before, trust me, today you will fall in love with it. Kitfo is made from high-quality minced raw beef, mixed with spiced butter, and also the main test of giving kitfo, called kororima, and a special Ethiopian spice called mitmita. Let's start with what you need. Fresh, soft beef is very important. Make sure your meat is very fresh and clean. This is the secret to perfect kitfo. First, finely mince the beef. You can use a knife or grinder, but traditional kitfo is hand-chopped. Make it soft and smooth. This gives it that perfect texture. Take your time here, because this step really matters. Now, gently add warm spiced butter. Don't make it too hot, just warm enough to melt nicely. This butter gives kitfo its rich flavor and amazing smell. After that, add 1 spoon of kororima that gives the kitfo best taste. And also add a little salt. And add 1 full spoon of mitmita in a bowl. After that, now mix everything together slowly. You will see the color change to a beautiful red. The aroma is already amazing at this stage. After that, add your minced meat in a sauce that you prepare before. Then gently mix the meat with the sauce harder for 3 up to 5 minutes for consolidation that gives the kitfo best taste when you eat. After all, put your kitfo in a little bowl that takes to table, but before that, make a design for kitfo by making smooth on the top by using spoon and give attractive design. Or you can do it just like on the video. Serve your kitfo with fresh injera and sometimes kocho. Ayib, that means soft cheese. Cooked greens, it's optional. Place it nicely on a plate. Make it attractive because presentation matters. And there you have it, delicious, traditional Ethiopian kitfo. If you like it, raw means it's not cooked. Or leb, that mean lightly heated, or you can eat fully cooked, that mean cook it a bit more. Choose how you love it. Right, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful, entertaining. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, it really supports the channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and hit the bell icon so you're notified every time I upload. Thank you so much for spending your time here with me. Take care, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next video.